Hi everyone, welcome to Amore Lace and Fabrics. This is a quick tutorial video to show you how to best use our website, find the best deals, and find some of our hidden gems. First, I'm going to show you a couple ways to search for an item. The search bar at the top allows you to do this. You can search for gold trim or whatever it is that you're looking for, and the item will pop up here, including price, image, title, and description. You could click into it for more information. This search engine at the top, these bars, this is another way. So you can go into fabrics, applique, pieces and pairs, or trim lace yardage to find the type of item you're looking for. On the left hand side, we also have different categories. So if you're looking for a beaded applique, you can click on that, Cluny lace, daisies, and so on to find exactly what you're looking for. So these are a little bit more specific. And finally, we have image gallery. So we're going to go into trim, Venice, and Cluny. On image gallery, this is going to show you images of all the items we have for that category, including the color variation. This is probably one of the best ways to be able to see all the colors for each item. You're able to see the item number at the top for each item as well, so you can search it in the search engine if you ever want to find it. Next, we're going to go into one of our items. So we're going to go into applique, pieces, and pairs. Here are our applique pieces and pairs. You can scroll down, find the item you're looking for, and we're going to go into this one right now. So you can choose a color that you like, lot size, find how many pairs you want to order, and you can adjust this as well. So you could order just 2, or you could order 25. Quantity 2 would give you 50 pairs. You have different images on the left hand side. You could add it to your cart to continue shopping, or this is the only item you're looking for, buy now. You can also add it to your wish list. So by hearting this item, you're able to see it over here on your wish list. By clicking on your wish list, you see all the items that you had. These are some items that I favorited before. That's pretty much how to use our website. If you ever have any questions, please contact us down here. There's a green contact us button, and let us know if you have any questions. Also, if you're looking for wholesale inquiries, please contact us and we'd be more than happy to help you with that.